This place is where we place our material. Every work decoration, they are all by handmade. Look. And those are our new product, flower stand, and they are all automatic painting. Then the worker is to take them here. And now we are painting our wood decor. After painting, the decor will be more colorful. And this is our warehouse. You can see there are all our products in here. Big factory. And these are our workers. And this is the place where we take photos for our product. This is what mirror. Let me show you. And let me